Hi guys, hello everyone. Good morning to all of you guys. Amazing morning to all of you guys. Yes. Guys, andito na ako sa company. Pero hindi pa ako guys bumaba. So, kasi kararating ko lang din. Have a blessed Thursday everyone. Yes. Guys, ang saya-saya ko kahapon dahil first ng January, kumbaga 2026 is na-receive ko yung blessing kay Lord. Yes. Kaya I'm so happy and thanks God dahil dininig niya yung aking panalangin. Sobrang saya ko dahil wala na akong kaba sa aking anak na mag-stay siya dito ng Korea. Anytime what she want, pwede na siya. So, kaya masaya ako as a mother. Sobrang saya ko. Pero, yun na nga, kung anong happiness ko, marami talaga ng mga basher. Hello! Dawin nyo ako binabash. Everyday is blessing for me, ni Lord. Kaya, sige lang. I-bash nyo ako na wala akong ginagawa. But, God knows. Because, God knows who I am, inside and out, kind woman. And hindi katulad mo, si Raulo. Kako. Kaya ginaganyan ka ng ano. Sorry na lang. It's me. Proud as who I am. And ayun guys, thank you so much. I love you all. God bless us all. Gumagana pa rin pala.